Lakas ulit ng konti.
Jump ball. Onside taker, team ball. No good. Number 07 for 2 points. Number 31. Binabala ang bola. Pass to number 20. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 07. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 07. Number 15, pass to number 24. Number 24. Tira sa ilalim, no good. Foul. Who's foul? Number 12. Number 12, first personal foul. First team foul. No good. That's one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Delay up guarded the number 31 for 2 points. Number 03, binabala bola. Pass to number 17. Binigay kay number 22, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 24, pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number, jump shot, no good. Same ball. Inbound number 20, pass to number 15. Bitawan ang bola, nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Pass to number 20. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 22. Number 22, first personal foul. First team foul. Nakot na ni number 03 ang bola. Pass to number 22. Pinasaw na ni number 12. Nakuha pa rin ni number 22 ang bola. Inangat. No good. Same ball. Number 03, pass to number 12, Aniban for 2 points. Inbound number 15, pass to number 24. Number 24, back to number 15. Number 15. For 3, by number 11. Number 22, pass to number 12, Aniban for 2 points. Number 15, binabala ang bola. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 31. Inangat, no good. Rebound by number 12, Aniban. Pass to number 12, D2. Number 22, number 17. Pass to number 22, number 12, jump shot for 2 points. Number 24, pass to number 15. Number 15. Jump shot. No good. Number 20, Black by number 2. Same ball. Inbound still by number 22. Pass to number 17. Double dribble. Number 24. Binabala ang bola. Pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 20 for 2 points by number 20. Number 03. Dribble the ball. Napitawan ang bola ng uling number 11 ng Binondo team. Number 11, umikot. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 17. Pass to number 07. Jump shot for 2. Oy! Labas ka, labas. For 2 points.
Dito kayo ng gugulo.
Number 11, big shot. Pass to number 15. 5 to shoot. For 2 points by number 15. Number 03, pass to number 17. Tiba! No good. Ang tirang is back. Number 15. Pass outside. Ang hirap nun. Inilabas ang bola ni number 17 at pinasa kay number 07. Ipinalik ito kay number 17 at dinidribble ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 12 pero hindi nakuha. Nakuha ng Binondo team, Papaludo. Dinidribble ang bola ni number 15. At ipinasa ito kay number 31, tinira, no good. Ang hirap. Number 17. Dribble the ball. Number no good. Tirang spot. Ni number 08. Number 11. Binaba na ang bola. Number 15, 10 to shoot. Tinira for 2 points by number 15. Remaining time, that's 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 12-13 in favor na po ng Binondo team. Number 12 jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola. Number 15, pass to number 11, big shot. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 12, pass to number 08. Tama ba? No good. Ang tirang spot. 0 for talent, ay 24. Number 31, binaba na ang bola. Steal by number 08, pass to number 07. Delay up for 2 points. Inbound. Number 24, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 31. Inangat. No good. Nakuha ni number 24 ang bola, pass to number 08. Number 08, pass to number 17. Outside, below the team ball. Substitution, rep. Wala bang sasab? Sasabi na ulit. Number 15. Binaba na ang bola. Jump shot. Oh. Foul, number 22. Number 22, second personal foul. Ano yan? Third team foul. 3 shots to control. Last 2 shots to Paltrow. 1 point. Velocity on Paltrow. Last 1 shot to Paltrow. No good. 20 number 24 pass to number 08. Number 08 pass to number 12 uneven. Binigay kay number 17 Diva for 2 points. Diva. Oh! Onside checker team book. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin for 12. Foul. By number 11. Number 11.
Laban daliri dyan. Daliri.
First personal foul. First team foul. One point. Number 15, Sebua. Binaban ang bola. Pass to number 11, jump shot. No good. Only number 08, pass to number 17, pass to number 22. Number 22 for 2 points. Inbound number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15, binaban ang bola. Number 15, dribbling the ball. Time to shoot. Number 24, no good. Onside, checker, team ball. Number 17, binaban ang bola. Pass to number 12, uneven for 2 points. Last 50 seconds. Number 31, binababa ng bola. Jump shot. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Who's the rep? Number 24. Number 24, first personal foul, third team foul. Remaining time last 40 seconds. 1 point. Last tiro ng Paltrow, ni number 31. Okay, karambola na po. Nakakuha lang ni number 17. 1-7. Pass to number 22. Double pass. Back to number 17 for 2 points. Number 17. Number 15. Oh, outside. Last 17 seconds. For 2 points by number 17, Dipa. 5 seconds. The end. Okay, inbound number 20, pass to number 15. Number 15, Sebwa, dribble the ball. Number 15, pass to number 11, jump shot. No good. Now only number 22 ang bola. Number 22 ng onside player team, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 15, pass to number 31. Number 31, binababa na ang bola. Number 31, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11, big shot again, jump shot, no good. Oh, save! Still by number 24, pass to number 03, pass to number 08. Number 08, pinigay number 17, no good. Rebound by number 31, pass to number 24, back to number 31. Number 31, pass to number 11, jump shot, no good. Save ball. Oh, now number 23. We'll be right back. 03, sorry. 03. First personal fouls. First team foul. Magkatabi na tayo. No good. That's one shot to bounce throw. No good again. One in number 03 ang bola.
Number 03, binaba na ang bola. Number 03, oh, anong tawag? Foul number 24. Number 24, first personal foul, first team foul. Inbound, number 08, pass to number 03, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20 ng Binondo team.
Number 15, Sebwa, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11, jump shot, no good. Number 22. No good. Nakuha ni number 11 ng Binondo team ang bola. Number 11, pass to number 15, Sebwa, for 2 points. Binaba na ang bola ni number 03. Pass to number 20, still by number 20, pass to number 15. Still by number 22 ng onside checker team. Jump shot for 2 points by number 22. Tyler onside. Number 31, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 15, jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 08, pass to number 27. Pass to number 07, jump shot. No good. for 2 points.
Outside.
Inbound number 08, pass to number 27. Number 27, ginaba ng bola. Back to number 08, back to number 27. Sumalaksak. Ako ni number 27 pero outside.
Save ball!
Number 22, pass to number 27, big number 07. No good. Rebound by number 24, pass to number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball.
The ball.
Pass to number 31 for 2 points.
2 points. 2 points.
Number 27, binababa ng bola.
Bola.
Number 27, dribble the ball.
The ball.
6 to shoot. Number 08, jump shot for 3 points by number 08.
Nalulungkot din ba kayo?
Number 15, ipinasa ang bola kay number 20. Ito'y kanyang tinira at pumasok sa paguto. Binababa na ni number 27 ang bola. Binaba niya na ang bola at dribble pa. Pinasa ito kay number 08 at kanyang tinira sablay. Nakuha ito ni number 11 ng Binondote. Si number 11 ay ipinasa ang bola kay number 15. Pinalik ang bola kay number 11 kaya agad niya itong itinira. Sumablay ang tira at binaba agad ni number 27 at itinira sablay. Sinubukan tumira ni number 22 for 2 points. Na-steal ang bola ni number 22 kaya pinasa ito kay number 27. Nakuha ni number 03 at pinasa ulit kay number 27, tinirang sablay. Papadudong si number 07 ay sumubok din pero nabigotin.
Tama lang.
Number 11. Pass to number 15. Three to shoot. Si number 11, pinilit pang tumira. Shot clock violation pero good. Gawa ni number 07 ang bola. At pinigay kay number 27, nakakuha ng foul. Number time out on team. Okay, in down.
Number 08.
Pass to number 27, pass to number 17, jump shot, no good. Only number 20 ng Binondo team, pass to number 11, pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Same ball, Binondo team ball. Inbound number 20, pass to number 11, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 12, pass to number 27, Corpus for 2 points. Inbound number 24, pass to number 15. Number 15, binaba ng bola. Ipinasa kay number 11. Number 11, pass to number 20. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 08 ng onside, checkered team. Outside, same ball, onside, checkered team ball. Number 03, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 08, jump shot, no good. Number 31, nakapik ang bola, nakuha pa rin ni number 15. Number 15, Sebwa. Pass to number 31, no good. Nakuha ni number 17 ang bola ng onside checker team. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 27, Corpus. Jump shot, no good. Again, for 2 points. By number 27, Corpus. Number 24, binaba na ang bola. Hinira, no good. Only number 27, Corpus. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 08, pass to number 27, Corpus. Pinasa kay number 12, pass to number 17, no good. Pass tinira ni number 03 for 2 points. Number 24, binababa na ang ball. Number 15, pass to number 11, jump shot for 2 points. That's 1 minute. Number 08, pass to number 12, back to number 08. Time to shoot. Front shot, binigay kay Aliban. Jump shot, no good. Last 40 seconds. Number 11, Caballero. Pass to number 15, Sebwa. Last 30 seconds. Time to shoot. Number 31. Oh. Just 25 seconds. Number 27. Number 12, Animal for 2 points. Last 15 seconds. Steal by number 08, jump shot. No good. 6 seconds. The end of the second quarter. Inbound number 27. Pass to number 08. Number 08, pass to number 12, pass to number 07. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 07. Number 31, binababa ng bola. Jump shot, no good. Rebound ni number 07, pass to number 27, Corpus. Oh, lifting.
Tawag ng ating referee, lifting. Kapalit ni Lipton.
Number 24, ng Binondo team. Pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot for 2 points. Number 31, ng Binondo team. Binaba lang ang bola. Pinasa ka number 15. 6 to shoot. Oh, foul. Number 22. Third personal foul. First team foul.
You by Robas. Kapag single ka, mag-Robas ka. Sigurado magtatagal ka sa banyo.
Robas. Plus 1 shot to Paltrow. 1 point. Mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 11.
Binondo team.
Number 08. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 27. 10 to shoot. Pinasa ka number 17. Back to number 15. Same ball. Rebound number number 15, binaba ng bola. Utinira, no good. On the number 27, Corpus, jump shot for 2 points. Number 27. Number 31 is steal by number 08. Number 08, pass to number 27, Aniban, number 12 for 2 points. Number 11, pass to number 31. Jump shot for 3 points by number 31. Number 08, pinaba ng bola. Jump shot, no good. Oh,
Napakalinaw ng mata ng ating referee. Meron niyang 635,000 megapixel. Yan, ganyang kalinaw yan. Kaya, step on the line.
steal by number 08, pass to number 22. Number 22, jump shot for 2 points. In down number 15, pass to number 31. Number 31, pass to number 11, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 27, Corpus ng onside checker team. Pass to number 07, tinira no good. Nakuha ni number 15 ng Binondo team. Number 21, back to number 20 for 2 points. Number 27, Corpus. Pass to number 08, jump shot. No good. On the number 11. Number 11. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 20. Jump shot, no good. On the number 27. Corpus. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 22. Jump shot, no good. Number 22. Again, no good. On the number 11 ng Binondo team. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Nakuha pa rin ni number 31 ng Binondo team. Pass to number 20. No good. Rebound by number 12. Baliban. Pass to number 27. Corpus. Jump shot for 2 points.
Diba?
Remaining time is 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Score 35-54 in favor of onside checker team. Number 11 for 3 points.
Nahanap mo.
Foul number 20. Timeout on. Number 27, Corpus, dribble the ball. Follow up the number 12, Baniban for 2 points. Inbound, number 24, pass to number 31. Number 31, Binaban ang bola. Pass to number 15, turn to shoot. Jump shot. Low good. On the number 27, Corpus. Nakuha ni number 24 na Binondo team. Pass to number 15. Oh, yung tawag. Foul number 7. 27, sorry. Huh? First personal foul, second team foul. Number 24. Pass to number 41, binigay ni number 11. 10 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 08. Pass to number 27. Corpus for 2 points. Inbound number 11. Binabang na ni number 11 ang bola. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Take shot. Yo. Number 11. For 3 points. Then number 11. Number 27. Corpus. Dribble the ball. Jump shot for 3 points. It's the goal. Timeout. Binondo team. Number 31. Nabana ang bola. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 15. Time to shoot! Jump shot. No good. Only number 20 for 2 points. Okay, number 20. Number 27, Corpus. Binababa ang bola. Jump shot in number 17, low kick. Only number 15, dribble the ball. Segua. Pass to number 31. Number 31, pass to number 11. Jump shot, no kick. Number 17, onside checker team. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Number 11, pass to number 31, jump shot, no good. Only number 12, Hannibal, pass to number 17. Diva. Pass to number 27, Corpus. Tinira, no kick. Nakuha ni number 31, ang Binondo team. Number 31, pass to number 15. Last 1 minute and 22 seconds. Number 27, Corpus, pass break to number 03, jump shot for 2 points. Number 15, dribble, time to shoot. Three to shoot. Shot clock violation. Number 03, binaba ng bola. Number 12, Aliban, no good. Last 37 seconds. Number 11, Junction, no good. 30 seconds. No good. No good again. Number 20, last 15 seconds. 6 seconds. 2. The end of the third quarter. Okay, inbound number 24, pass to number 15, pass to number 11, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 07, pass to number 27, Corpus. Oh, awal bola nakuha ni number 22, pass to number 8. Number 08, jump shot for 2 points. Binaban ng bola ni number 15. Time to shoot. Jump shot to number 11, no good. Number 22. Pass to number 08 for 2 points. Number 11. Hilira, no good.
Sinuko.
Pass break, the numbers is still pero outside. Same ball. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, pass to number 15. Number 15, binaban ang bola. Number 15, pass to number 11. 6 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Wow. Number 11 for 2 points. Number 07. Still by number 24. Number 24, Francia, no good. Number 07, pass to number 27. For 2 points, by number 27, Corpus. For 21, jump shot, no good. Only number 08, pass to number 27. Binigay ulit kay number 27 ang bola for 2 points. Last 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Score 45-71 in favor of onside Chicor-Tiam. Time to shoot. Jump shot for 3 points. For 2 points. Number 21. Nakuha ni number 37 ang bola. Yung onside Chicor-Tiam. Corpus, no good. Tirang is back. No good again. Nakuha pa rin ni number 31. Tira, no good. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Number 11, ng Binondo team. Big shot. Pass to number 31. Jump shot. No good. Pass break. Oh. Inbound number 07. Pass to number 03. Still by number 31. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number still by number 08. Ay, still din ni number 11 ang bola ng Binondo team. Pinasa kay number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 11. Jump shot. No good. Number 08. Jump shot, no good. For 2 points by number 07. Number 15. Binaban na ang bola. Pass to number 11, jump shot. No good. Still by number 24. For 2 points by number 20. Only number 07 ang bola ng onside trigger team, jump shot for 2 points. Number 20. Pass to number 15. Shoot! Number 20. 2 points. Number 20. Jump shot in number 03, no good. Number 03 again. Still by number 31. Pass to number 11. Jump shot for 3. Number 11. Number 22. To number 08. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 31 ang bola. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 20. No good follow up for 2 points. Number 20. Number 27. Corpus. Remaining time is 2 minutes and 35 seconds. For 3 points. Score 57-80. Timeout, Binondo team. Number 24, binabalap. Pass to number 31, pass to number 11. Jump shot, no good. Number 17. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 11. Big shot, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni Corpus ang bola, ipinasa kay number 17. No good. Follow up ni number 12 for 2 points. That's 1 minute and 33 seconds. Number 21. So number 20. Sinalaksak, 3-1, no good. Number 03. For 2 points by number 17. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 15, here's the ball. 60 shot. Jump shot, no good. Number 20, 2 points. Last 47 seconds. Yes. Number 03, pass to number 17. Number 07, for no good. Only number 24 ang bola. Number 21, jump shot. No good. That's 27 seconds. Number 17, binaba na bola. Jump shot. No good. That's 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh yeah, and the winner is